Hey everyone, my name is Apurva. My baby just turned 3 and I was on the lookout for a perfect gift for her that she would really love and enjoy playing with. And then I came across this 3-in-1 Galaxy high-tech makeup kit, and this is just perfect. She loves it, and let me just quickly show it to you guys. This kit is a dressing table and suitcase that comes with adorable makeup accessories, ideal for any kid who loves to dress up and play with makeup. It has many hairstyling accessories as well, so it's sure to keep your little one occupied for hours. From nail polishes to lipsticks, a mirror, hairdryer, and some jewelry pieces, this kit will boost your child's imaginative and creative skills, enabling them to create imaginary situations and engage in role play. There are two ways to assemble this set: a full-blown dressing table and a compact suitcase-style setup. All the pieces fit easily in the suitcase, making it easy to carry around and store them safely without losing them. The best part is that it's made with child-safe and durable ABS plastic that is safety toy approved and meets BIS standards. With no sharp corners and edges, this toy is ideal for kids aged 3 years and older. From being a beautician to getting ready like a diva all day, my little girl loves playing with this one. I'm sure your kids will enjoy too.